In today's video, we are discussing SecondSight, ticker symbol EYES, an exciting penny stock that has just received FDA approval for a prothesis system that restores a level of vision to the blind. We will also look at the over 700% increase in price after the stock's FDA announcement, and then the massive pullback in price that may have provided a buying opportunity. In addition, we will also review the projected total market for visual impairment assisted technologies and analyst targets for this stock. Then we will take a quick look at the stock's chart to aid your analysis whether this penny stock is a fit with your portfolio. Keep in mind that penny stocks are volatile and highly risky, but a smaller percentage can also soar massively on good news or with an increase in product market penetration. Hi investing friends, this is Lynn, and welcome back to AZ Wealth. And thank you so much for joining me here today. Just before we do that, this is a friendly reminder that if you enjoy today's video, to hit the thumbs up button and leave a comment below. Here we are looking at SecondSight's website. The company provides neuromodulation devices to treat blindness, leveraging its 20 years of technology innovation. They have created the world's first FDA and CE mark approved device for providing artificial vision to people with late stage RP. On March 5th, the FDA gave approval for SecondSight's Argus 2 retinal prothesis system. A MarketWatch article on March 8th noted that iShares had soared 728% in 2 days, with the trading volume swelling to 222 million shares. Here is a snapshot of SecondSight's Yahoo profile from the end of the trading day on March 9th, when it closed at $15.48, then rose after hours above $16 per share. This video is for entertainment only, but I'm letting you know that I recently took a long-term position in this stock. The only analyst ratings I could find for the EYES ticker were on Yahoo Finance, which listed the stock as a buy, but there are no updated analyst ratings since the FDA approval. In looking at the FinViz snapshot for this stock, you will note that the earnings per share this year increased by 46% and for quarter over quarter by 85%. The market cap for this stock is $88 million. Company insiders own 43% of the stock, demonstrating their strong belief in SecondSight's future direction. The short float is only 2%, indicating a low interest in shorting this stock. Currently, the average trading volume for this stock is 19 million shares per day, a testament to the stock's recent volatility. Now let's take a quick look at the stock chart for this ticker EYES. The 2-year E-Trade chart shows an uptick for the stock in early 2020, followed by a slide back in price. Then a base formed with another uptick occurring in 2021, with the price zooming up upon the FDA approval. The shorter term chart shows the stock price sliding back from a high of $21.90 per share. If you found value in this video, if you haven't yet, please give it a thumbs up. I'd also love to hear about any other penny stocks that you are liking right now. Do keep in mind that you will need to do your own research and due diligence before making any investment decisions. I'm thrilled that you made it through this video, and now make sure that you are subscribed to AZ Wealth, as I have more videos on the way like this one. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye!